As part of the Arts of Celebration 2024, Sask Arts is proud to honor the following established artists and arts leaders. This category is sponsored by the Government of Saskatchewan. The quotes included here were provided by the artists, either as words they find inspiring, that show how they approach their art, or reflect what others have said about them and their work. Mouvedet Al-Khatib, artist, art educator, community engaged artist, and consultant. Art is not an object, but rather a social necessity and a way to connect with one's surroundings. Chris Alvarez, Treaty 4 theater artist. We are stardust, we are golden, and we've got to get ourselves back to the garden. Joni Mitchell. Dean Bausch, professional artist, curator, and cultural consultant. Creative people are more likely to be productive and more original if surrounded by other creative people. Dr. Susan Bialy. Jackie Birding, visual artist. Follow your bliss and the universe will open doors where there were only walls. Joseph Campbell. Darlene Briere, Executive Director, Saskatchewan Drama Association. Just Do It. Dr. Norman Yackel. Patrick Bulis, artist, educator, printmaker. You need to overcome resistance to create art. Walter Jewell. Jesse Campbell, independent curator and arts administrator. The current of the river of life moves us. Awareness of life, beauty, and happiness is the current of the river. Agnes Martin. Leah Marie Dorian, visual artist. Create the world you want to live in. Charlet Ferrero, visual artist. J'apprécie ce que j'ai créé et j'attends avec impatience mes créations de demain. Alyssa Farron, director and curator, Dunlop Art Gallery. I want the work I'm doing to have an impact on the community 50 to 60 years from now. Jennifer Fitzpatrick, Director of Cultural Services, City of Humboldt. The great gift is to have some way of thinking you've made a difference in the world. Gloria Steinem. Tracy Foster, artist and founder, Listen to This community arts organization. Art should comfort the disturbed and disturb the comfortable. Celia Cruz. Margaret Peltier Harrison, fiber artist. Creating hand stories of our Métis culture. My mother's spirit lives on. Cindy Hoppy, visual artist, chair, Saskatchewan Craft Council. Myrna Harris and Martha Cole are the mentors that showed me I could find my path in fabric art. The sharing spirit of fiber artists lifts us all. M. Ironstar, Executive Director, Saskatchewan Arts Alliance. Leading the Saskatchewan Arts Alliance amidst these challenging times for the arts is an honor and a privilege. Brandy Jones, Indigenous visual artist. There is a longing among all to have a sense of purpose and worth. To satisfy that common longing, we must respect each other. Jackie Krasinski, artist and educator. Once a writer finds their own voice, they can't forget that it exists. Mary Gauthier. Rebecca Lamar, visual artist. Art is a guarantee of sanity. This is the most important thing I've said. Louise Bourgeois. Paul Lapointe, sculptor, painter, and printmaker. In the 70s, the textile artist Kaya Harris told me she worked a 60-hour week at her craft. Her work ethic made a large impression. Monique Martin, artist and educator. The silencing of women is so loud. Jasmine Thomas. Catherine Miller, visual artist. To circumvent the no of the material with the yes of an inventive solution, that is the way new things come about. Annie Albers. June Mitchell, poet. Aging is inevitable. Whining is optional. Connie Moker-Wernikowski, dance artist. Connie's choreographic voice is known for clarity, poetic use of line and shape, and the striking kinesthetic imprint she leaves. Joanna Bunden. Sandy Moore, artist and curator of exhibitions and interim director, Art Gallery of Regina. The revolutionary potential of art is to imagine what does not yet exist. Jessica Morgan, visual artist. Thelma Pepper's belief in the divine spark in everyone and how that impacted her collaborative practice continues to inspire me today. Alexis Normand, singer-songwriter and filmmaker. Ça lui tient à cœur d'unir ces deux langues qu'elle aime tant, le français et l'anglais. C'est fait tout en délicatesse et en douceur. Annie Soleil Proto, salut bonjour. Maria Olofsson, potter and educator. Take your passion and make it happen. Professor Robert Kelly. Gordon Pepper, independent filmmaker. Find something you love doing and you're off to the races. Thelma Pepper, Saskatchewan Order of Merit. Susan Robertson, potter. Smile, it looks good on you. Gillian Ross, master printer and print publisher. Without prints, you don't understand the culture of the world. Leo Steinberg. Craig Salkeld, lover of music. No matter what you believe, even if it's in conflict with those around you, the best thing you can do is bring love and joy into the world. Vera Saltzman, photographer. I was trying to write something so sad, it was pretty. John Prine. Zoe Schneider, visual artist. Zoe is a caring friend, influential mentor, accomplished arts professional, and an inspiring artist. Vanessa Wraith. Tara Semple, sound alchemist. Time for this butterfly to trust her wings. Leona Tice, literary artist. Dare. Karen Pask Thompson, artist and teacher. Making art is like digging for gold. The longer you're at it, the deeper you have to dig. Unknown. Wayne Tunison, master bell ringer. You thrive going beyond the boundaries of the acceptable and the possible. Kitian Ho. Lana Wilson, acting curator and manager, education programs, Man Art Gallery. Lana has worked very hard and creatively to develop a robust and multifaceted education program. Leah Dorian,